Der lugter ikke særlig meget af dollars heroppe på 62. 20. etage, men nede i Wall Street arbejder de smarte finansdrenge. Selvom en del af dem har måttet gå på arbejdsformidlingen efter de mange fiduser på ejendomsmarkedet. Men hvad gør så en smart vekselerer, der har scoret kassen? Han må naturligvis have sig noget kunst. Så velkommen til Kunstfabrikken. Ejeren hedder Kostabi, forstås. Her arbejder 35 mere eller mindre professionelle kunstnere på timebetaling efter Kostabis anvisninger. Som Warhol er Kostabi sit eget kunstværk. Og han afgør selv, om malerierne, der laves på hans atelier, er gode nok til at komme ud i handelen. Da vi kom med vores kameraer, var Kostabi kvik til at iscenesætte en gang kvalitetskontrol. Det gik ud over malerier for 500.000 kroner.
Do we have any more knives? We've got a lot of paintings to destroy today. It's been a bad week. Okay, so first of all, this painting was created, and during one of our quality control committee sessions, that's QCC sessions, this was voted as a rejected painting for, I guess, whatever reason. Perhaps it was too much of a mishmash, a hodgepodge. But we thought it was somewhat interesting, worthy of being a curiosity on the back. So it was reversed, regessoed on the other side, and this painting was done in it. Just violently destroy this part first, and then we'll come down and save this out. I'll do that. That's right. While we're waiting for the next 4 paintings to be destroyed, perhaps you want to address some other issues so we don't waste too much film.
Tid koster dollars, men penge er egentlig ikke nogen besættelse for Kostabi, der har skabt et frodigt miljø for kreative folk. Han er rig, berømt, under 30 og har udgivet en kunstbog om sig selv, der er tung som en middelalderbibel.
How is it sitting painting a picture which is going to bear another man's signature?
Well, actually, I'm glad this painting isn't going to have my signature on it.
Why?
I didn't think of it. It's not my concept, and the only thing I added was the color.
How much money is that picture going to fetch?
About $9,000. It probably took me about 3 days to paint it.
And how much you going to get?
Oh, $400. You know.
So Kostabi makes the money and you do
He
the
makes
work.
the money, but his overhead is so ferocious. Not every painting sells. People will be sitting here painting paintings that are awful, and you just get turned over.
James, we just destroyed 3 of your paintings. They were horrible.
He pays the rent. He's famous. He spends a lot of time blowing his money. I don't know if he's really even profiting that much.
Oh, okay. Saturday, right? Okay, bye.
Can you really sell these paintings?
Can we really sell these paintings? Of course we do. Look. Sold. Today. $27,000.
Kostabis kunstfabrik sprøjter billeder ud, baseret på tænketankens idéer.
Get our inspiration from this.
Det unge geni i Kostabis tænketank sørger for, at der hele tiden er nye skitser at male efter. Idéer, som hentes fra både aviser og kunstbøger en masse på hylden.
I draw ideas for the Kostabi painters.
Because they don't have their own ideas?
Right. They just paint these ideas. They project them on their canvas.
See, what you've done here is you picked up on this idea of the halation around the ball here, but that's light against dark. Since it's already light here, you don't need a light here. You should make that dark again and make this dark, because it looks very awkward. It doesn't feel like the glow of the moon. I understand that idea, but it just doesn't happen. And I have to ask a few more people about that arm. But the dog looks really great.
A lot of people here have bad attitudes like, oh, I don't want to be here. He's cheap, you know, he pays us nothing. Quit, you know. But who else lets you come in, gives you paint, you goof around all day, you play some chess, you go out to lunch, you come back, you paint a painting. It's not high pressure. And you can make your own hours.
Stupid move.
Så jeg stemplede ind hos Kostabi som kvadratmetermaler på flekstid og fast dagløn. Det var et rart arbejdsmiljø og flinke folk, og dog lurede usikkerheden. Var mit arbejde godt nok til mesteren?
Nice sound, right? I'm always the one doing the manual labor around here. Okay. So this painting I actually painted myself, and it was in an exhibition, an important exhibition in Spain of East Village artists. But then it started cracking, and we started reworking it and glazing, and it got overworked and boring. And then this painting was done on later, but it's not a bad idea, but it's overscaled. Here you see the address of Kostabi World, 544 West 38th Street. And now the painting is ready to be destroyed.
I'm sorry, maybe I would have bought it.
Well, now it doesn't matter. The committee voted this one worthy of destruction. I feel it's tremendous satisfaction now. Kostabi World, contrary to what you've just seen happen in the last 15 minutes, is not about destruction. It's about creativity, and I think now is the time to focus on another subject. Thank you very much.
Thank you.